Hi, today's tip is about when you're spraying knobs and handles for your cabinets. After you've cleaned them, the easiest way to spray them is to take a piece of cardboard, screw in from the back the screw, so these are all standing up good. Here, I'll put this last one on just so you can see. But the screw is on the underside of the cardboard, and this is on the outside. And now they're all standing up, cleaned, and ready for spray. So it's easy to spray the sides, the top, and you can do your 2 coats of it. And it's just the best way I can think of instead of having them flopping and lying around. The other thing for hinges when I spray them, again, plain piece of cardboard. And basically, you've got it there. You can spray it after it dries. Just flip it over, spray it. And then you can just recycle the cardboard and you haven't done any permanent damage and it wasn't any kind of big setup. So then you're all set with newly sprayed hinges. So that's my setup.